elvahairs.com. I did see a few of their videos before because I was looking for really affordable wigs, and then when they contacted me, I was like, oh hey sis, like I was just looking at y'all's videos. The hair that I received, and I will put all the specs down below my description bar. It is a super curly Brazilian hair with the 130 density and 13x6 lace frontal, and it has a baby hair, and the hairline is pre-plucked. You know what I mean? So I did that, and I did like some of the baby hair a little bit. I don't know how I'm going to actually wear it, but this is the hair, and she is super beautiful. So if you're like a beginner, I did pluck a little bit more, but I didn't like really go in because I felt like I might just show you guys the hair in its authentic form. Hair, it came in a timely manner. It didn't have any smell. It was packaged beautifully. You can definitely keep this box, you know, if you need it. And they give you like, you know, the little pamphlets, and in here in this brochure, their packaging is legit. They have a bunch of other like quick units and stuff like that. And it is Remy hair. So they have like Remy hair and virgin hair, raw virgin hair. So I think that's pretty much, you could pick which hair you want and the color of the lace and all that good stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off of this, and then
it's a bad man thing, yeah. Oh Lord of His mercy, hey, His body baby, oh, hey, His body baby, oh. Bulaka, it's a bad man thing. See, I'm a, it's a bad man thing, yeah. Bulaka, see, see, I'm a jari leto, I'm a jawale. Say we get to bed, so no delay. See, by the end of the night she be wanting more. By the end of the day they be wanting more. Busting out the place and they wanted more. My people, them I wanted more. I'm a jari little, I'm a jawale. Say we get to bed, so no delay. By the end of the day she be wanting more. By the end of the night they be wanting more. Busting out the place, them I wanted more. My people, them I wanted more. In all the place, see the girl them know. See the girl them know. In all the house, see the man them know. See the man them know. Baby make me feel alright, make me feel my fantasy. Cause you turn me on, now you taking me all night long. Bad man, bossing out the place, them I wanting more. Them I wanting more. See, bossing out the place, then they feel me, yo. Then they feel me, yo. See them girls just want to party. See them boys, them just want to party. In a me yard, them a throw the party. In a me place, them a throw the party. Say, who like a bad man, me a bossing out the place. Who like a bad man, other girls, them a crazy. She a whine it for me, she a grind it for me. She a pull up in a place and whine it for me. I wanting more. When I pull up in a place, they be wanting more. I wanting more. When I pull up in a scene, they be wanting more. In the place, see the girl them know. See the girl them know. In the house, see the man them know. See the man them know.
ooh, who is she? And mind you, my edges aren't like dry yet. I'm just running out of time on my battery. But yeah, it looks really nice. I'm gonna have to like cut these baby hairs down a little bit because I don't want no adult hairs. The wrap, and I kind of just pinned, I put a clip in just to pin that little area up because it kept like falling down. So I'm trying to like dry it. So I try to like dry it in place. Typically I would like press my hair back into place. I feel like that's kind of why everything's like falling, because it isn't, I didn't hot comb it. So this is like the baby hair, this is the lace. Everything is like really freaking melted and like super laid. I don't think I've ever achieved it like this flat before or this nice. And I want to say it's honestly because I think the way that I cut the lace off, the way that I cut the lace off prior to putting it on. Usually I cut and then, like, you know, do all the melting and stuff. I kind of did it. It was pre-melted because it was pre-plucked. I mean, I don't know. I'm not like a lace expert. I'll zoom in a little bit. Let it focus so y'all can see it. And of course, it's a little, I have to like clean my hairline up. I wouldn't say do this with makeup on. I mean, it's like 10 o'clock at night and I'm doing this. So I'm loving this out. But you see how like it's falling, you know what I mean? Like it wants to lay how it wants to lay. Let me get this clip off and see what it looks like. Yeah, that's better than how it was. But look at these curls. Forget the lace. The curls are everything. Like, this hair is freaking gorgeous. I gotta figure out how I want to style it. Usually I wear like middle parts. I don't wear a side part in forever, so I'm not used to having all that hair. I might just like put a braid or a bun or something. Because with this hair, it is 13 by 6, so you have a lot of parting space considering like the lace isn't. My forehead's a little small, you know. I could have put it a little higher, but whatevs. I could redo it if I want to. But overall, I'm really liking the look of this hair, the way it feels. I love some curly hair. It reminds me of Indian curly hair I used to wear a couple years ago. It just is giving me a real natural feel. The baby hairs really weren't cut down. I kind of just laid them how they were. I'm going to spray a little got to be glued. I know I wasn't using this on my edges, but just a little bit. Because some of these hairs are kind of, they're curly. So, you know, curly hair likes to do what it likes to do. Or whatever. So, okay, so I had to come back real quick. Because the hair, like, it dried a lot more. And I changed the part. I feel like the part had me all the way messed up. That like side part situation. I mean, I can still lay this down a little bit better, but I feel like this is how the hair should look. I mean, I was tired of middle parts, but that's all I really wear now. So that side part situation, it wasn't it. So this is what the hair looks like while it's dry, and you also can see it's getting bigger. Like this side is getting mad big. I think because I had it like flipped over. So yes, this hair is everything. All the products that I use, the hair company Elva Hair Wigs, all their info will be linked down below. The direct link to this hair will be there also. So yeah, I will definitely see you guys in my next one. See ya.